Hi, thank you for visiting my RC channel. My name is Bill and I'm a RC radio control enthusiast, and I also do RC reviews. Thank you for joining me for this review of this HAIBOXING 18th scale 4-wheel drive off-road RC buggy. Comes in this box. Packaged like this. Very good quality instruction manual. This card for direct contact with customer service. These stickers or decals. The buggy here. And the radio controller underneath. So let me get everything unpackaged. So this is all the contents unpacked. So we get a couple of cards on here just saying there's a body plastic on here, protective body plastic that needs to come off, particularly if you want to stick on the decals. Don't force the motor heatsink onto the center drive shaft, and how to press the on switch. So it's the buggy itself. Nice independent shock absorbers. Got a good solid base on here. Nice style and design. Let me just remove the cover by removing these 4 clips. This also has a full metal diff with metal ball bearings, although you can't see it because it's covered. Got this RC 380 brushed motor that can give this speeds of up to 36 kilometers per hour. Has this waterproof electronic receiver system with anti-block prevention and low voltage protection. Comes with a 7.4 volt lithium ion battery. It has a JST plug that plugs into here. Here's the on button, so to turn this on you need to press and just hold it for about 2 seconds. The lights flash. Here's the radio controller. You need to supply your own 2 AA batteries that go into here. Here's the on button. There's no light indicator saying that it's on. On top here we've got 2 speeds, a slow speed and a normal speed, and a switch to reverse the steering. So we can see now that when I've turned the radio controller on, the light goes solid, so this should be powered on. And yeah, we've got 4-wheel drive in action. Let's power off, just press and release the power button there. Turn off here. Radio controller's got a nice feel to it, but we'll see how it goes when we take it for a drive. A lot of plastic parts, but this comes with 100% replaceable parts that you can get by just contacting customer service. So it's always good if you have got parts available to replace if anything gets damaged. As you can see, these little covers for the body that go on, that come off, so just got to be careful not to lose that. These tires don't feel airful, they actually feel as though they've got sponge in. A nice quality rubber, and should have a nice grip. And this also comes with these LED lights that aren't fitted, but you get the instructions with it that show you how to fit it. And this will plug into this little port over here. You just need to feed it through and get it into the two headlight covers over here. Always good to see it come with spare clips. So easy to lose these. This is the battery charging cable, plug into a maximum 5-volt USB output. Plug this onto the balance plug here, and then two lights come on while it's charging, a red and a green flashing light. And when it's finished charging, the green light goes solid. Get a star Phillips screwdriver, and this rear spoiler is not fitted on, so we get screws, and we get this, and this fits onto the back over here and gets screwed in these 3 slots here. So let me just go ahead and put this on. So this is the rear spoiler fitted now and just screwed on the back here. I've also removed the protective plastic cover that was on this body shell. Nice gloss there. And then this just fits on back here. Put these clips back in. Those are the clips back in, and the body shell secured. Then the on-off button isn't in the best position, but quite easy to access. You can just lift up here, press and hold down for 2 seconds, and turn it on like that. And just turn it off again by doing that. So it really does have a good, nice, solid quality feel and look to it. The range on this should be about 85 meters. So let me take it out and see how it performs and how much duration we can get drive time with this battery. Let's see how this hailstorm goes. Okay, we'll start off in the low speed. Okay, should have proportional turning, which it does. Okay, that's the low speed. Put it into the high speed here. And what a difference. Okay, we're not getting too much drip on the tires on the surface, but still good, still nice. Radio controller moves well, feels good. We go for a run down there. Through water. Okay, waterproof works well. It really goes fast in the high speed here. Wow, that's a full speed turn. Take it on the grass here. Just reverse. Reverse works well. Goes nicely over grass too. Get in the mud there. It really goes fast. Good range. Nice little leap there. So it's got quite good balance. Always good to test in a figure of 8. No sign of low battery, still going well. For its size, it's really powerful. Hasn't got that much weight, so it does hop around a little, but still holds quite good traction. And the surface is slippery here. As a crawler in a slow speed, it should also be quite nice. It's definitely made for higher speed. I don't think I'll be able to try and roll this even if I tried. No, I can't. Perhaps on a drier surface it might, but otherwise it, as I said, seems quite nicely balanced and performs well. Let's just see how much time we're going to get. We've been going 6.5 minutes already. Okay, it managed to get it to flip and recovered nicely back on its wheels. And stop the clock. That seems low battery. Just over 9 minutes, call it 9 minutes time. So it looks a little bit different to than when it started, but handled the wet conditions well. Still quite good traction, really fast in the high speed, turns well, and a good duration of 9 minutes on the battery, pushing it and putting it through its paces. A really nice RC buggy and really great fun. So please subscribe, like, comment and share if you like my videos.